Based on sort of how loud the applause are, how many people want to see me build an AI application in under 20 minutes? Yeah? All right. And I want to show you what generative UI can look like. So I'm going to go ahead and say, show me these as UI. And boom, boom. Once you see something like this, you can never, ever unsee it. Your mind just starts to go to, like, what else could I do? Like, could I say something like, show me the trailer for Wonder Woman? Holy crap.
The gods made the Amazons to restore peace to the world. And it's what I'm doing.
Awesome. Me and some of the members of the DataStax's DevRel team put this app together like pretty fast, right? I can build this in 200 lines of code. Imagine what you can do in 2000. Thank you very much.